This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Nelson Mateus. This wonderfully maintained 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home offers a harmonious blend of functionality, comfort, and modern updates. Key features include a large laundry room, a 2-car carport, a screened front porch, a screened lanai, and a spacious fenced backyard with a storage shed. Notable updates enhance the property's appeal: an updated kitchen, remodeled bathrooms, AC unit replaced 2024, a 2021 water heater, and appliances including a washer and dryer, 2020, and stainless steel refrigerator, range, dishwasher, and microwave, 2019. Durable vinyl flooring was installed in 2019, and most windows were replaced in 2020, excluding the kitchen, dining room, and laundry room windows. The 2-car carport and extended driveway provide ample parking, leading to the covered and screened front porch. Upon entry, the family room creates a welcoming atmosphere, featuring sliding glass doors that open to the screened lanai with serene views of the backyard. The dining room seamlessly connects to the modernized kitchen, which showcases stainless steel appliances, shaker cabinets with soft close functionality, granite countertops, a custom backsplash, and a closet pantry. The kitchen sink offers a pleasant view of the lanai and backyard. The laundry room, conveniently located off the kitchen, features updated appliances, a 2021 water heater, and generous storage space. The primary bedroom accommodates a king-sized bed and includes a walk-in closet and an ensuite bathroom, updated in 2019. The secondary bedrooms are spacious and complemented by a hallway linen closet for additional storage. The updated hall bathroom features a granite-topped vanity, a framed mirror, and a shower window, adding elegance to its design. Relax and unwind on the screened front porch or the lanai, perfect for enjoying Florida's beautiful weather. This home is ideally located near grocery stores, restaurants, and banks, with convenient access to I-75 and I-4 for an effortless commute. Best of all, there are no HOA or CDD fees, offering additional savings. This move-in-ready home is an exceptional opportunity. Schedule your showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact